Look at that smile. I love it.
I'm
Look
so
at that.
happy.
How long has it been since we did surgery?
2 days.
Well, you cheated on us today. You took a look at your smile. What'd you think?
I love it. I'm really happy.
I love it. Give us one more smile.
Okay.
Let's show you one more time. Even though you cheated on me
I
and
know,
you
I
looked at him,
cheated.
but
Oh, I love it. I have lips. My lips had disappeared.
yeah.
And
they
that was so
sunken in.
embarrassing.
Yeah.
And my chin seemed to be coming up to my nose.
You had the denture face.
Oh, yes.
You look 20 years younger. You look like you're 45 now.
Oh, that's almost half. I'm 84.
Wow, that's amazing. You are aging very well. You had the snap-in dentures before. What were the things you didn't like about the snap-in dentures?
I refuse to go to restaurants.
Yeah, it's not
because
fun.
it's so embarrassing.
Yeah.
And even when my teeth were new, the dentures that I had before were new, they were so uncomfortable, I had to keep going to the bathroom to clean it out.
Oh.
So I didn't want to go to restaurants.
Yeah, congratulations.
Oh, it feels so good. It feels just like having my real teeth in.
I love that. Look at that smile. I love it.
I'm
Look
so
at that.
happy.